Hello and welcome to the Retro Chicken Farm. From time to time I enjoy typing in listings of programs from old magazines and playing around with them. If they're short, it doesn't take a long time, but the result is usually pretty uninteresting. On the other hand, longer listings produce more interesting programs, but this also increases the chances of making a typing mistake or sometimes even having a typo already from the printing press. What if there were a simpler, more efficient way to type out a lot of paper code? I know. Let's try AI. Snap a quick photo of the code listing and feed it to the Codex AI. Let's see what it comes up with. Alright, let's see what we got. This is all the code in ASCII. There are some special instructions for the special characters in it, which will then be tokenized by the emulator's helper program, petcat, and transformed into a proper PRG. And while the raw code seems spot on, the special characters are problematic. The result isn't at all that great. Even after some corrections, we're still not there. How about I type this part out myself and we'll go from there. There you go. All done. Let's give it a go. That's pretty close. Now, this particular program comes in two parts, and the second part is just code with no special characters. So the AI should be able to OCR it pretty handily. So let's feed the scans to it. And let's speed up the process a bit. We don't want to wait through all of that. I also see it automatically snatched my version of the program and will put the code around that one. That's not exactly what I had in mind for the first run, but sure, why not? Let's do it your way, Skynet. The AI has finished. Let's run it. Look at that, seems to be running nicely. I mean, the program itself is a bit slow, but okay. So this was one way, just let the AI do everything. It's pretty straightforward, easier, and probably cleaner as well. Uh-oh, the shopping lady got mad. Maybe they ran out of bananas. The second way I wanted to try is let it only make the OCR/ASCII version of the program and then copy-paste entire sections of code into the emulator on top of my existing code. Like this. The beginning section, copy, paste. The whole process can be a bit slow, but never mind that. Next, fix any special characters. And then the end section, that's the data section for the sprites. Let's run it. Whoops, yeah, it's not moving. Like I said, if you leave everything to the AI, it'll probably come out cleaner. A quick fix, and it works. I typed the first part of this program on a real 664 and took it to the emulator. Now I'll do the reverse, save the whole program from the emulator and take it back to the chicken farm to test it on real hardware. I use the XU1541 USB device to save the program from the PC to a floppy. Load, run, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye from the Retro Chicken Farm, and I'll see you in the next one.